day mga kids, welcome ulit sa aking channel. Today, we're going to study again mathematics. And bago ang lahat, huwag kakalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and huwag kakalimutan din ang notification bell para lagi tayo updated sa mga bago nating video na i-upload pa. And our topic for today is more on finding the GCF and LCM using continuous division. Okay, so our lesson is finding the GCF and LCM using the continuous division. So, papaano nga ba natin kukunin ang LCM at saka GCF ng isang number using the continuous division? So, example, you have 48 and 64. So, to find the GCF, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng GCF? GCF represents the greatest common factor, while LCM represents least common multiple. Okay? So, the greatest common factor at saka least common multiple. So, finding the greatest common factor muna tayo. So, in finding the greatest common factor of 48 and 64, we are going to use the continuous division. Okay, remember guys, pag nagko-continuous division tayo, make sure na gagamitin natin yung primary numbers. Okay? Ano ba yung primary numbers? Primary numbers are numbers which doesn't have more than 2 factors. So, kapag sinabing primary numbers, ang factors niya ay 1 and 2 lang. Examples ng mga primary numbers natin, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Okay? 19. So, these are primary numbers. Why? Kasi si 2, wala na siyang factors. 1 times 2 lang. Si 3, 1 times 3 only. 5, 1 times 5 lang. 7, 1 times 7 lang. Wala na ibang factors. Why not 4? Si 4 kasi, meron siyang tatlong factors. So, si 4, pwede siyang 2 times 2, 1 times 4. So dito pala, makikita natin na meron siya isa, dalawa, tatlong factors. Si 1, si 4, at si 2. So, number 4 is not a primary number. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung mga primary numbers natin. So, we can use. So, isipin natin, 48 and 64 are divisible by anong primary numbers? By 2. Yan. 48 divided by 2, 24. Hatiin natin sa dalawa. 64 divided by 2, 32. Okay, so pwede pa rin i-divide sa 2. We have 12 and 16. Correct. Pwede pa rin i-divide sa 2. We have 6 and 8. Still, we can divide by 2. We have 3 and 4. So, this time, si 3 and 4, wala na siyang common factor. So, we cannot divide that anymore to a common factor. So, that means, tigil na tayo dyan. Ano yung GCF? So, ang GCF natin is these numbers. Okay? So, ang GCF natin will be GCF is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi kasama ito. So, that will be 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So, our GCF is 16. Okay? Okay po. Okay? Next example. Okay, sama na natin si LCM. So, paano naman yung LCM? Let's do it this way. Let's say you have 18 and 32. Finding the GCF again. 18 divided by, divisible by 2 and 32. Ganun din. Divisible by 2, 9. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Meron pa bang ibang number na divisible by 9 and 16 na common sa kanila? Meron pa? Wala na. So, wala nang common factor. So, ang GCF niya ay magiging 2. How about the LCM? Okay, ang LCM ay kasama ang lahat ng numbers from here up to there. So, that will be 2 times 9 times 16. Kasi wala nang common kay 9 and 16. So, the LCM will be 2 times 9 is 18 times 16. 18 times 16, 48, carry 4, 10, 8, 1. So, 8, 8, 2. So, the answer is 288. So, that will be our least common multiple. And this is our GCF, 288. Okay? Malinaw po. Pag sinabing GCF, the number on the left is the GCF. And the lahat ng yan is belonging to LCM. Another example. What if you have 3 numbers? Okay, 3 numbers. Kunyari, we have 16, 21, and let's say 15. So, ano ba yung common factor sa kanilang tatlo? Si 15 at 21 divisible by 3. Si 16 wala. Hindi siya divisible by 3. So, that means wala silang common factor. Okay? Okay. So, sino yung mayroong common factor? Si 21 at si 15. So, kunin natin si 21 at 15. 21 divided by 15 is, and 21 and 15 ay may common factor na 3. Sorry. So, they have a common factor which is 3. So, 21 and 15, 21 divided by 3 is 7. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, ano gagawin natin kay 16? Bibring down natin siya. Okay? Now, bakit dito ko inilagay si 3? Kasi, hindi siya common factor ng tatlo. Sa dalawa lang. Okay? Kung meron pa ba dito na common factors? Si 16, si 7, and 5. So, wala na. So, ang LCM natin ay kasama lahat yan. At ang GCF, so kung napansin nyo, wala ditong number. Ano yung GCF natin? If wala siyang number doon. So, that will be 1. Still, meron pa rin common factor which is 1. 1 pa rin. Right? Kasi lahat naman sila is divisible by 1. Okay, LCM. So, LCM is 16. Di natin isasama yung 1. Times, try na natin ito. Times 7. Times 5. Times 3. No? So, 16 times 7 times 5 times 3. Okay, we can multiply. 16 times 7 is 42, carry 4, 7, 11. Tama? So, 112 times 5, 10, carry 1, 16, 6, 5, 560 times 3 pa, times 3. So, 0, 18, carry 1, 16. 1,680. So, that is our LCM. Okay, GCF na 1, LCM na 1,680. Medyo magulo, no? Guys, isa pa. Para mas lubos na maintindihan. Okay. So, let's say you have to find the GCF and LCM of the three numbers. 15, 24, and 36. Okay. Meron bang common factor ang tatlo? Meron, di ba? Divisible by 3, 3, 3. Okay. Divisible by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 24 divided by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So that will be 8. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Right? Ano lang kadali? Okay. So, meron pa bang common factor? Si 5, 8, and 12. Wala na. Okay? So, that means kung wala na silang common factor, meron na tayong GCF which is 3. Yan na yung GCF. Sino yung may common factor pa? C 12 at C 8. So, si 5, hindi natin isasama sa i-divide. So, bring down lang siya. 8 at 12, merong common factor, which is, 2. Correct. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay. So, meron pang common factor, sino? Si 4 at si 6. Si 5, hindi na naman kasali. Silang dalawa lang ang may common factor. Okay? Ano yon? 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. Meron pa bang common factor? Now, wala na. So, tulad ng sinabi ko, GCF is 3. Yun. Siya lang. Kasi siya lang yung common sa kanilang tatlo. Ngayon kung dalawa yan, 3 times and something. Pero wala. So, LCM natin ay 3 times kasama lahat to. No? 5 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. Ayan. 3, 5, 2, 3, 2, 2. Okay. 3 times 5 is 15 times 2. Okay. Ganito ang ginagawa dyan. Para mas madali. 30 times 3 times 2. 6. Tama? 6 times 2. 12. Okay. 30 times 12. The answer is 360. So, that will be our LCM. Okay? Nagets niyo ba? Kids? Paalam sa inyo mga guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating video ngayon sa pagkuha ng LCM at DCF. Huwag kakalimutan, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated tayo sa lahat ng mga videos na maaari ko pang